Hello and welcome to Council of Nerd. It's time to review All or Nothing Jose Mourinho, Tottenham Hotspur. All or Nothing is Amazon's web episodic documentary series which gives us an insight to the background and the working of any sports club or sports institution. This season of All or Nothing is based on Tottenham Hotspur's season of 2019 to 2020 and what happens throughout this season. This episodic documentary gives us a detailed view how a big Premier League club works behind the scenes. Now Amazon has done such documentary before with Manchester City, but let me tell you why this one is better than Manchester City. First of all, the timing. After reaching the finals of the Champions League in the previous season, this season I think Tottenham Hotspur expected to go even bigger, but that did not happen here. Everything went downhill after that, which ended with the eventual sacking of Mauricio Pochettino, their then coach. But that resulted in bringing one of the biggest box office managers that Tottenham Hotspur could ever expect, Jose Mourinho. Mauricio Pochettino was Tottenham Hotspur's manager for first half of the season, but you can hardly see him in this documentary. It's about 20 to 30 minutes of the first episode, but rest 8.5 episodes, it's all Jose Mourinho. That man is an absolute gem to watch. He gives this documentary a different dimension as soon as he walks in on the screen. And that is why I think this season of All or Nothing is a special one, because you actually get to see the transition from one manager to another manager, which is hardly rare to see in a documentary. Now taking the focus away from the manager, there are other aspect of this documentary which has been shown wonderfully. I also loved how this documentary gave screen time and backstory to all the major players in this club. Kane, Son, Lucas Moura, Ndombele, Vertonghen all got some segments dedicated to them where they told their story of this season, which I absolutely love because that gives us a insight of how the individual players felt. When Son gets injured, how disappointed he feels that he's letting his team down, his manager down, Kane's injury. We also get to explore why Christian Eriksen wanted to leave Spurs after the last season. We also get to explore how Steven Bergwijn feels when he gets a major transfer into Tottenham Hotspur. So these are major things that gives a human element to all the players which we always see. We see bits of interviews of these players, but here we get a human element to them, and which I absolutely loved. This season Tottenham Hotspur were also riddled with injuries, and we get to see how the team struggles, how the medical team operate, what procedure they follow to actually make sure the player is fit or not, how they determine the player is fit or not, and how the team manager and everybody from top to bottom copes up with this injury. Another aspect of a big football club, that is community service. We see how the players of Tottenham Hotspur and Hotspur as a club serves the community around them. We see players going to local schools, talking to young kids to inspire them. We see players visiting old age homes and spend time with the elderly. We also see how the players and the club help the needy during Christmas. And another unfortunate thing that happened this season was the spread of the pandemic. And we get to see how the club copes up with this, the lockdown, how the training works, how the medicals work, and also after lockdown, how the safety measures were taken to make sure the Premier League come back safely. At the end of the day, I think this is a very unique documentary of a football club because of the circumstances that the club and the world went through this year. From the transition of different managers to having a box office manager like Jose Mourinho, to surviving the club through injuries to a lot of players and calling up players from the academy, and also the unfortunate pandemic gives us another sneak peek how the club scoped up and what security measures or the safety measures the club took to get this Premier League going. So I think this will be a treat to watch even if you're not a Tottenham Hotspur fan. This series is 9 episodes long with 45 to 50 minutes on an average for each episode. I think this will be worth your time. So football fans, go check this one out. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Council of Nerds, and see you in the next video.